So we started building our tech stack about 6 years ago, given that we do hybrid payment with stablecoin and fiat, hybrid wealth with RWA and security. So we built the core banking system able to handle all of them with digital assets wallets as well as control, building the API gateway for our partner network and as well as for our clients. And then gradually, the first thing that went live was actually compliance. We realized the difficulties to do the hybrid payments where the traditional banks can only see the fiat leg, but we always have one leg in the stablecoin side on blockchain. The industry doesn't have the proper tool to do end-to-end hybrid transaction monitoring. We bought a lot of database on the traditional side, LexisNexis, WorldCheck, etc. We bought on the Web3 side, Chainalysis, Elliptic, TRM, 6 of them, and then we combined the tools for our internal purpose initially. Our compliance operator initially took about 2 to 3 hours to do the transaction monitor for first transaction, and then later we use the agent to automate it. So it's a large language model coupled with a more deterministic algorithm in combination to provide this service. When Anthropic skills came about last October, November, we decided to use CLI and MCP server coupled with the skills. That is really a distillation of our years of efforts on the transaction monitoring to offer to our clients to protect their transaction. We followed that track, which I can tell a bit more later, is in order to provide financial services, we also have to do KYA, similar to in the traditional sense, KYC. We need to know your agent to decide, we as a licensed financial institutions, for those folks raise hands, are your agents allowed to receive my financial service? So we developed that framework, we developed that skills, and then we roll out to Red Claw, Hermes, bots, and so on and so forth. And then what we just went live recently is all those payment basic function, wealth functions through MCP server and skills, deposit, swap, subscribe, fixed income, lending will be on the line later, but those are all live. Provide agentic financial service infrastructure for those agent developers here.